evening to all.
Good evening.
Now, I would like to share my two personal experience which I felt in my personal life. Few years ago, it was early in the morning, somebody came to my home and knocking at the door very seriously. He was crying and informed my parents. One of my relatives met with an accident. His leg was seriously injured. My family rushed into the spot and saw that he was severely injured. We took him to the hospital. We could not able to reach on time because we were very far from the hospital. Doctor checked him and said that he has lost lot of blood from his body and asked us to arrange 2 A positive blood donors. That day, we searched, contacted various blood banks and different friends. Finally, we could not able to get any of the A positive blood donors. Finally, operation has been took place. Doctor has to remove his leg. If today we could have got any A positive blood donor, his leg could have been saved. Today, he no need to be dependent on wheelchair. Similarly, another incident. When I was working in India, in our company, one of my colleagues in working time fall down and become unconscious. We took him to the hospital. Doctor checked him and said, "He's a cardiac arrest," and asked us to arrange 3 B positive blood donors for his operations. This time, we, our colleagues, including me, has donated the blood, and this donation timely saved our colleague from danger. After these 2 incidents, whenever I got the opportunity to donate a blood, I used to donate blood and feel myself proud. These 2 incidents made me understanding how important is blood donation in our life. Today, I am voluntary blood donator whenever the blood donation is blood required from my end. I take this opportunity, I would like to share few interesting facts of blood donation. If you once you donate your blood, it can going to save 3 people's life. There is no religion, sex or nation limitation for blood donation. Beyond all this, if you donate your blood, you feel happy and self-satisfaction and internal happiness which you are going to get from blood donation, you will be not going to get from any other activity. I request all the Toastmasters, Gulfer organization with Gulfer Toastmaster Club banner, under the Gulfer Toastmaster Club banner, we arranged a blood donation camp on 21st of February, and please register your name and donate your blood. Feel proud yourself like me, how I feel myself proud. I hope all the Toastmasters are willing to give their bloods and save others' life. Over to contestant.